The Dubai Metro is a rapid transit rail network in the city of Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The Red Line and Green Line are operational, with one more line being constructed. These first two lines run underground in the city center and on elevated viaducts elsewhere. All trains are fully automated and driverless, and together with stations are air-conditioned with platform edge doors. Architecture from Aedas designed the metro's 45 stations, 2 depots and operational control centers. The first section of the Red Line, covering 10 stations, was ceremonially inaugurated on 9 September 2009 by Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, ruler of Dubai, with a line opening to the public on 10 September. The Dubai Metro is the first urban train network in the Arabian Peninsula and either the second in the Arab world, after the Cairo Metro. A major expansion of the Red Line to add 15 kilometers of track and extend it from IBN Batuta to the Expo 2020 site was announced in April 2015. The extension will increase 7 metro stations. Until 2016, the Dubai Metro was the world's longest driverless metro network, with a route length of 75 kilometers, as recognized by Guinness World Records in 2012. However, its total route length has since been surpassed by the fully automated driverless Vancouver SkyTrain and Singapore MRT. Nevertheless, the Red Line at 52.1 kilometers remains the world's longest driverless single metro line. Only 10 out of 29 metro stations of the Red Line opened on 9 September 2009. Construction of the 18 stations on the Red Line and another 18 on the Green Line restarted on 7 February 2010. Construction of all 29 metro stations on the Red Line was declared complete on 28 April 2010. 7 more stations on the Dubai Metro Red Line opened on 30 April 2010. 10 new trains were pressed into service, giving a total of 22 trains in service when the stations opened. Red Line trains run every 7 minutes off-peak, with a minimum headway of 3 minutes 45 seconds during peak hours, with 44 train sets in service. The first 2 lines of the Dubai Metro have 70 kilometers of lines and 47 stations, 9 of them being underground. The Red Line stretches along the city from the Jebel Ali area to the border with Sharia. It passes through several tourist attractions such as Mall of the Emirates, the Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa. The Green Line, on the other hand, stays within the Old Dubai area. It passes through many historical sites such as the Dubai Museum, the Gold Souk, the Spice Souk, among others. Because of that, many stations near those places are themed in the history of Dubai, with photos depicting the UAE in the 1960s or earlier being on display within the station. Some stations are even specially designed with the architecture of traditional Emirati houses, mirroring the architecture in the surrounding area. Route 2020, a 15-kilometer extension with 7 new stations, including 2 underground being built, which will start at Nakhil Harbour and Tower Station and will end at the Expo 2020 site. Future plans will also extend this line to Al Maktoum International Airport. The extension will be served by new redesigned trains. Dubai Metro is composed of at grade G elevated Type 1, Type 2 and Type 3, T1, T2 and T3 respectively, underground stations U, and underground transfer station types UT. Type 1 is the regular at-grade concourse station, Type 2 is a regular elevated concourse station, and Type 3 is an elevated special track station with an extra track to hold a non-operational train. Underground transfer station will be accommodating both the red and green lines for easy transfers. Besides these differences, there are 5 themes used in the interiors of the stations. First, heritage, second, earth, third, air, 4, fire, and 5th, water. The earth stations have a pan-brown color effects, water has blue-white color effects, fire has orange-red color effects, and the air has green color effects. The Dubai Metro has built 3 large multi-level car parking with an estimated capacity to accommodate more than 8,000 vehicles for the passengers, where they can park their car and ride the metro. The parking is free for the metro users. All metro stations have elevators and contrasting tactile guidance path to guide the visually impaired. There are also dedicated spaces for wheelchair users on all the trains. Handicapped passengers can ride with any RTA service for free with a special personalized NOL card. Emergency stop buttons, intercoms and platform screen doors with corresponding flashing light signals are installed at every station for the safety of the passengers. Trains are equipped with emergency stop buttons, door release levers, intercoms and fire extinguishers. CCTV is operational throughout the entire network, and in trains and police officers are regularly on patrol in the stations, especially during rush hours. Wi-Fi connectivity is available across all trains and stations. The Dubai transport is divided into 4 tiers, 5 zones. The NOL card are used by the passengers to check in and check out at the gates in their destination station. The fare will be automatically dedicated based on the number of zones traveled. Passengers will be allowed to check in when their card has more than minimum credit required. Children below the age of 5 years or less than 90 centimeters and people with disabilities, personalized NOL card required, will be eligible to travel the metro for free. There is also a NOL card available for students and seniors, and they can get a student and senior citizens discount. Japanese manufacturer Kinki Shario built a total of 79 5-car trains, 60 on Red Line, 19 on Green Line. They are designed to carry 643 seated and standing passengers, and unusually for a mass transit system, the trains have 3 classes of accommodation: Gold class, First class, Women and Children class, classification that is extended to a greater number of cars during the peak hours, and regular Silver class, Economy. The metro has driverless operation and uses third rail current collection. 50 new trains manufactured by Alstom will be introduced to the system starting from November 2018. The trains have higher seat capacity, 696 seats, up from 643 seats on the current trains. This will increase passenger capacity by about 10%. The new trains have a refreshed interior with better air conditioning, digital maps, improved speed, brakes and doors. Out of these 50 trains, 35 will run on the red and green lines, while the remaining 15 will run on Route 2020, scheduled to open by the end of 2019. On 1st of November 2018, as part of the RTA's Public Transport Day, the longest diverse human chain of hand was formed in a Dubai metro train at Etisalat station. The record was acknowledged by Guinness World Records. The chain was formed by people from 96 countries around the whole world. The top speed of the trains is estimated to be around 95 km per hour, giving a round-trip time of 2 hours 23 minutes for the Red Line and 1 hour 23 minutes for the Green Line. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, gave his directions to transform Dubai metro stations into art museums under the supervision of Dubai Culture and Arts Authority. The project was announced early April 2014 and aims at displaying contemporary and modern art. Annual ridership in 2018 is 204 million of passengers. Daily ridership is 353,244 passengers in 2017.